Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 22. This is Section 1.3, Problem 22. It says, what is 142 increased by 62? So increased by means to add. So 142 increased by or added to 62. So I'll add 142 plus 62. And now the far right column of digits, 2 plus 2 is 4. The next column of digits, 4 plus 6 is 10. So for 10, I'll write the 0 from the 10 under the column of digits that I just added, carry the 1 from the 10 to the top of the next column of digits, and I add 1 plus 1, plus nothing under the 1, just 1 plus 1, so that gives me 2. So the answer is 204. So 142 increased by 62 is 204.